What's up, guys? This is Andy and Landon's Totally Too Good Toy Time. I'm Landon, and this is my dad, Andy.
Hello.
And that's Lacey. Hi. And this is the pet at the new house that comes over every night. His name is Roach, and we gave him some water. As you can see, of course, some water.
Aw. What's his name?
Roach.
Roach. Hi, Roach.
My mom said
Hi.
that we named him Roach because he's kind of like a cockroach because he never dies.
That's true. He's usually trying to cross this road right here to go back to his house. And it's true what they say. Cats really do have 9 lives because he has never been hit. He's had some close calls, but he's never been hit. And I think he lives, if you can see, I'll zoom in, this very tall house, white house there. That's his normal house, but he kind of just comes outside and he likes to come over here and visit with us. Where's Roach? There he is. And Roach is a YouTube star now.
So we got two YouTube guys. Have you ever thought of cats like water, but they kind of don't at the same time? They don't like to get wet, but they like drinking water.
Yeah, they do like drinking water. That's absolutely true. Alright, let's go look at Roach.
What if we made Roach a YouTube channel?
Should we go over here and pet Roach, guys?
Yeah, Roach is a really soft and
Oh, he's like, wait a minute.
every time I go around Roach, he goes the opposite direction. Try petting him now.
Yeah. Oh, look, he wants someone to pet him. Look at him.
Oh, he put his ears down. So cute.
Yeah, he's a good cat.
Like it? He loves getting played with his stomach, on his stomach.
Aww.
Very playful.
He is playful.
Cute.
I heard he jumped out of a tree today.
Yeah, he almost died. My friend said he caught himself in the middle of the tree because he started falling, and then his 2 legs caught in the middle.
Aww.
He's good now.
Alright, he's good now, guys. Let's zoom in on Roach. Aww, cute kitty.
I'm sorry, we wasted some of your water, Roach.
Oh, yep, he's getting some drinks, guys. Yeah, right there, yep. Aww. But anyway, we just wanted to check in with you guys and tell you about the new cat that comes around here and hangs out with us. His name is Roach.
Maybe we should make him a YouTube channel. That wouldn't be a bad idea.
Roach's YouTube channel.
Roach, you like being famous on YouTube? He's too busy drinking as well. Yep, that's what I was about to say. He's going to answer my question later.
Well, is there anything else you guys want to say to our fans out there?
Like and subscribe if you haven't, and peace!
Peace.